Hey, what's up everybody? This is Vapor, and today I'm going to give you a short video highlighting how the... Oh cool, that doesn't pop up on there. That's awesome. Okay, we got some things to talk about today. As a reminder, I stream on Twitch every Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. Link is in the description below. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us grow the channel and will allow you to see when new videos like this come out. So this is an application that's going to allow your cell phone to become a webcam. Now I know what you're thinking. Vapor, you did a video about this from an application put out by Elgato that allowed your cell phone to become a camera. And yeah, you'd be right. I totally did put out a video showing their ScreenLink app and showing you how to set that up and how that can become your webcam. This is different, and this is a lot better. And quite frankly, it actually is a lot easier to set up as well. I'm very shocked at how easy it is to set up. So let's start from the top. The application, there is a free version. I have not played with the free version. I went ahead and just paid for the one-time license. It was $7.99. That price may vary based on where in the world you are, but give or take $8. That's what you're going to be paying to get this thing set up. Now, right out of the box, I was a little nervous. I opened up the application, and the first thing it told me is I need to download a driver. And I was like, why do I need a driver? You know, does it not just directly import into OBS? What's going on? So as you can kind of see on the screen here, it gives you an option to email you a link to a driver. I've got that link down in the description below for us. You're going to install that onto your computer, and it's less of a driver and more of an application. Okay, so look at it as an application that you're going to install onto your streaming PC or your gaming PC, whatever you're capturing from. Now, the next step was pretty straightforward. It just had me turn on some allow settings for microphone, camera, etc. So you just go ahead and check those boxes. Then you pop over, assuming you have this driver installed on your PC. It's just going to straight up auto detect everything going on. And it's going to set up 100% over Wi-Fi. You can also do it with a hardwire if you want to go that route. I chose to do Wi-Fi, and I can't believe how easy this was. I literally sat here, and I was doing it right before I clicked start, because I was like, well, I probably should at least figure out how this thing works before I record a video on it. And within seconds, it's detecting my camera. Now, here is the huge thing. Everything you've seen so far has been recorded on my phone directly into OBS using this software. You are not looking at me off of my, Canon SL2 DSLR with a freaking $500 lens. This is just straight off front-facing camera on an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So that's killer. Now let's talk about what sets us apart from the previous application that we worked with. Well, if you remember, I talked about how you're going to have to really fine-tune your timing to make this work so that your voice and video is in sync. Well, I'm not noticing any delay at all off of this camera here. And we're going to really be able to tell when we dive into editing here in a few minutes. Or a few minutes. When I dive into editing, we're going to really be able to tell what's going on. Because from my just naked eye watching my OBS preview window, I'm dead on. There's no delay. If anything, it's 10 milliseconds. It's so minor. So that's huge. That's night and day. Because we were talking probably close to 200, if not 300 millisecond delay with the ScreenLink application. Second Pro, with the ScreenLink application, you were going to have to crop that thing in because everything that was on your screen as far as like camera controls and things of that nature was going through your feed over the NDI to your computer. So everything from if a notification popped up to seeing, you know, the little reverse camera button, settings, all that stuff, that was all coming through to your OBS, so you had to deal with that. Third thing, notifications are not popping up on OBS. Since recording this video, I've watched about 6 people go live on Twitch. It's popped up on my phone directly in front of me, and yeah, none of that's coming up over there. So if you've seen me kind of like look over to the side, that's because I'm flipping the hell out. In fact, there it is right there. Like, it popped up with a Twitter notification. I just don't even understand. This is the coolest thing ever, that I don't have to deal with trying to block out where notifications are or trying to make sure you turn everything off. Let's talk about where this fits in. If you're a streamer, you have a phone, and you want to look better on stream, this is a perfect opportunity for you. This is going to beat the freaking crap out of any webcam you're going to pick up right now, outside of maybe the new AverMedia webcam they just released, or maybe a Brio. And quite frankly, I think this looks better than a Logitech Brio. So this is huge. It also is going to give you some freedom. So again, let's talk about the ability to go and, you know, stream other places throughout your house. This is all communicating over my Wi-Fi network. This is going to simplify how I do my cooking streams that we do every now and then. Because instead of having to move a whole bunch of gear downstairs, queue up on a different PC, and then try to then stop the stream and start back up upstairs, this will all work over my Wi-Fi connection, and I can go downstairs and stream 100% through that. That's unreal. Like, 100% cannot believe it. Well, this is awkward. So I recorded this whole video, and I went downstairs and I said, hey, let's go ahead and take a look at that footage. Let's edit it. Only to realize that I had the wrong screen up when I was recording all of my outro. Here's the thing, guys. After taking a look at everything, this is a fantastic application and is a huge value for your money. If you're looking for a camera upgrade, you're in good shape. Do I recommend this product? Absolutely. Will I use it myself? Absolutely. I've got use cases lined up all over the place for how I'm going to use this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is going to be a game-changing solution for a lot of streamers. This is going to give you top-tier video quality without having to invest thousands of dollars in hardware. So I can't wait to hear how you use this and how this becomes a new thing within your stream. Let me know if you came up with anything really creative to do with this, or if this is just going to be your standard face cam. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the channel. We'll talk to you soon. I'm not going to blow up Psycho. He hasn't done anything wrong yet.
So Vapor, once you get past the kind of water area that you're about to hit,
I'm flying?
Huh?
Did you hit a ramp?
No.
No.
No, I
Did you hit a
didn't.
fake ramp?